In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update WooCommerce. Keeping your WooCommerce plugin up to date is crucial for ensuring that your online store runs smoothly and securely. An outdated version can lead to vulnerabilities, incompatibilities, or simply missing out on the latest features that can enhance your business. So, let's dive into the update process, which is straightforward and something you can easily incorporate into your regular website maintenance routine. First, you need to navigate to the Plugins section of your WordPress dashboard. Begin by logging into your WordPress admin area. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard, where you can manage all aspects of your website. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu that includes various options to manage content, appearance, users, and more. You need to focus on the Plugins section because that's where WooCommerce resides. So, hover over the Plugins option in the menu until you see a flyout appear with more options. You should then click on Installed Plugins. This will take you to a complete list of all the plugins currently installed and active on your WordPress site. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this page, since plugins are essential components that add functionality to your site. Now that you're on the Installed Plugins page, look through your list for WooCommerce. You can scroll down manually or use the search feature provided on this page to locate it quickly. Once you find WooCommerce, check to see if there's any update available. If an update is necessary, you'll notice a link reading Update Now right next to the WooCommerce plugin. You might also see a notification towards the top of the page or a visual cue, such as a colored highlight, indicating that an update needs your attention. Upon confirming that an update is necessary, clicking on the Update Now link is your next step. Simply click that link, and WordPress will automatically initiate the update process. It's a seamless operation that should only take a few moments. Once you've clicked, WordPress will handle the downloading and installation of the updated files for WooCommerce without requiring further input from you. As the update proceeds, it's essential to be patient and not interfere or close the browser window while the update is in progress. Doing so could interrupt the update and potentially cause issues. You'll know the update is complete when you see a confirmation message, indicating that WooCommerce is successfully updated to the latest version. Remember, regularly updating your plugins, including WooCommerce, is key to maintaining a secure and efficient online shop. Not only does it ensure security patches are applied, but it also gives you access to new features and improvements, helping you stay ahead in providing the best experience for your customers. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to keep WooCommerce updated on your WordPress site.